Hey guys, what's up? It's Ali Goodwin, and today I'm doing a chit chat get ready with me. I've never done one of these videos before, but I love like my favorite YouTubers when they do them because you get a makeup tutorial, you get to hear about their life. It's a win-win. So yeah, and I feel like I make a lot of like college advice videos and fashion videos and stuff like that, but I feel like I don't make a lot of like really personal videos about my life and what's going on. I thought this would be a good change of pace for you guys to get to know me better. Alright, let's get started. We start off with concealer, and mine is from CoverGirl. It's like really cheap. I have a weird mix of like expensive makeup and like $2 makeup. It is currently summer before my junior year of college. I'm having a good time this summer, but I'm also like kind of ready to go back to school, which I don't say often. Normally I never want summer to be over. I always go home every single summer, and this is the first summer I stayed in Austin. I go to UT in Austin, so it's kind of weird to like not go home. Like it finally feels like I'm like actually like an adult and like moved out, which is so weird. Just putting on foundation. This is just kind of like my everyday makeup tutorial. It's super like natural, and I definitely don't have like proper techniques or anything. My camera's about to die. I just started this video. So yeah, this summer I'm interning at this production company. I'm a film major. They make like commercials and music videos and stuff like that, so that's been fun. I only have 3 days left of my internship, and then I'm donesies, and I got the month of August off to do whatever I want, which will be fun. I'm taking all film classes except I have 1 English class, which I am not happy about. It's supposed to be really hard, but it's like a core class, like everyone's required to take it. But yeah, that will not be fun. I haven't taken an English class in years, since high school. Yeah, I'm trying to think what else has been like happening in my life this summer. I went on my first ever Tinder date in May, which was an experience. It's weird, like I don't know, dating apps are so weird to me because like they're like complete strangers that you're meeting up with. Like you have like, you know, zero about them. Well, not zero, like most of the people who recommended me on Tinder and stuff go to my school, which is good, so we have that in common. But it's just weird, it's like a stranger, and I feel like it's like hard to tell what people look like based on like 3 or 4 pictures in their profile. I'm definitely like a stalker, and I'll look them up on social media and stuff and find more pictures, but I feel like everyone does that, so hang on, I gotta get close and I'll finish my Tinder story. Oh, wrong way. Oh god, my eyebrows look bad close. I feel like I don't have good like eyebrow techniques. Like I just kind of color where they should be, and I guess that's all you're supposed to do, but my eyebrows are like blonde, like straight up blonde. So if I don't do anything like fill in my eyebrows, I look weird. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. Back to my Tinder story. But yeah, it's been going really well. We've still been talking, and so maybe hopefully I'll get to update you guys on that soon if it keeps going well. It's still like early stages, so like don't want to say too much, you know, but anyway, eyeshadow time. I love eyeshadow. I think eyeshadow is so fun because you can wear like so many different colors and stuff. I only wear like pinks and browns, which I guess is what most people wear, but I really like pink. I feel like I'm like pink. Pink, 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 pink. Later today, I'm going with my roommate to get her hair cut. She has like long bangs, and she's gonna get like short bangs, if you know what I'm talking about. It's like a hipstery look, but it's gonna look so good on her. And I'm kind of bored of my hair. Like I really want to do something different with my hair because I feel like it's been this length for like 50 years, like just kind of like medium length. So if anyone has any suggestions of like cool haircuts that will look good on me, let me know in the comments. Yeah, I've been having such a good summer. Like I thought it was gonna be boring because not a lot of people like stay in town during the summer. Everyone goes home, but like me and the couple friends that have been here have been doing so much fun stuff, which has been cool. I'm kind of glad sophomore year's over. Sophomore year, like, not that it was like a bad year, but like, have you heard of the sophomore slump? Because I definitely felt that. I don't know why, but for me, like the second year of like every school always sucks. Like I hated 7th grade, I hated sophomore year of high school. I don't know what it is, maybe I'm cursed, but the 3rd year of every school is like a bomb time for me. I loved 8th grade, I loved junior year of high school, so I'm excited for this year. I think it's gonna be fun. Not looking forward to graduating and being an adult. What? But yeah, I'm putting on some brown and pink. I literally do the same look every day with my mascara. Not my mascara, what am I saying? My eyeshadow. I just put on like light pink on my lid, and then like this like coppery color and like a darker pink behind my lid and my crease. And that's it. Eyeliner time! Oh god, I don't know if I can do eyeliner viewfinder. Girl, I might have to be right back. Hang on. Okay, eyeliner done. Sorry about that. I don't wear eyeliner most days, but sometimes you just need to look a little extra oomph. Yeah, am I right? Yeah, like I was saying, I'm so excited for junior year. I think it's gonna be really fun. I think this summer, like, it was like really cool to me that like my friends wanted to like do cool stuff like every day and not just like let's go see a movie. Like we like drove out to like these like cool caves that were like an hour away, and like I don't know, we like planned this road trip that didn't end up happening, but like the fact that like people are excited to do all this cool stuff is like really cool to me. So I feel like this year everyone's gonna want to do cool fun stuff and I'm here for it. I've been really into the YouTuber Sarah Burgett lately, and she is just like awesome. She just does all these like road trips and she is just like cool, so I would recommend to check her out. But yeah, I don't know, she's just been inspiring me lately to do like go out and just like do things. Like if you want to do it, like freaking do it, dude. Like, you know what I'm saying? Hello. Up close and personal. Anyway, I really want eyelash extensions, but I don't want to pay for them. But if any of you guys have them, like tell me if they're worth the money, because low-key my eyelashes are blonde and I would like to just like wake up and have like nice eyelashes and not have to like put on gobs of mascara every day. Lastly, I'm gonna put on some lipstick and some highlighter. I love highlighter. I never used highlighter until pretty recently, but it's just so fun. Like it just gives you a little extra something something. My highlighter is from ColourPop, and this is what I mean when I say I have expensive makeup and like $2 makeup. Like I don't remember how much this was, but it was hella cheap. My lipstick was like 20 bucks, but this is like $3. Like but yeah, you guys should let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. I've been making college videos for a long time, and not that I don't love making college videos, but I just feel like I've done a lot of college videos and I just want to branch out and make other things and like have you guys like see my personality and stuff. So maybe I'll do more like vlogs or like videos like this where I'm just like chilling and talking to you guys. I don't know. I also really want my roommates to be in some videos. Me and one of my roommates filmed some vlogs this summer, so they're gonna go up really soon, and she got really into them, which really excited me. And then I have 5 roommates, by the way. And then one of my other roommates just started her own YouTube channel, which is freaking awesome. So I'm so happy everyone in my apartment is getting into YouTube, and I hope they'll all make videos with me because that would be so fun, I think. I just like dab lipstick and then I just go like that, and it looks really funny until I rub it all together. But yeah, so hopefully I'll have some roommate videos coming soon because that would be a blast. In August, all my roommates, they all dispersed over the country this summer doing their own internships and going home with their families and stuff. So in August, late August, we'll all be back together, and I'm gonna try really hard to get them to do some videos with me because that would be so cool. So yeah, this is my finished look. This is a little bit more than I do every day. Normally I don't wear eyeliner or highlighter or lipstick on just like an everyday occasion, but today I just wanted to do a little something extra. Yeah, let me know if you guys like this video and if you want to see more videos where I just like chill and tell you guys about my life or do vlog, like things like that, because I think that'd be fun. And yeah, I'll probably have some more college videos, fashion videos. I've got a bunch of stuff planned for this summer, so it'll be a good time. Some back to school coming soon. What? Back to school already, Ali? I know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Okay, bye!